Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. From title you guys know today is an unboxing video. Reason is I could not find any exciting pieces from Louis Vuitton. Finally this time they come up with the one that I've been waiting, that is the Speedy 20. This month they just launched the leather version. So in today's video I will share with you the size comparison, what fits, and some model shots. I really cannot tell you much about the pros and the cons. That have to wait until I use this bag. So after I do the unboxing, I will start to use. Hopefully I can tell you some pros and cons, even though I already know one of cons that I don't like it for this bag, but we're gonna talk about it. I will definitely do another video to compare with the other handbags, so that time I can talk more. So let me just start with the unboxing. Unboxing is right here. I got it the day before, so let me just quickly to show you the handbag. Here is the bag. This time they come two color. One is a navy blue, one is the black. For me, of course, it's the black. So here is the bag. That's very strange. When the bag comes, they already put the key in there. So anyway, let me just quickly examine the bag. Here. Okay, so it is very cute, and this is a very pretty bag. I did watch a couple reviews for this bag, and I don't know how people get this bag so early. According to my SA, she said that that bag was released on the 5th, October 5th, but I already saw a couple YouTubers was doing this unboxing. Okay, so here is the, I think here is the tag, just in case you need it. Interior is like a microfiber. The opening is not too bad, as you can see, and so back has the back pocket. It comes with the removable strap. So talking about this strap, when I talk about the cons of this bag, the only thing I don't like is this part of the metal. You know, I feel this strap, I rather to have like a full leather. I will feel more luxurious. With this metal, I feel a little bit cheap. What do you think? Or this is just myself, or I don't know. Okay, so this one is adjustable strap, so I think the length will be perfect as I wear as a shoulder bag. So anyway, I will show you later. This is the bag. So another con for this bag is the bottom doesn't have the feet. I know that all the Speedy like that. I don't remember the Speedy 25 unpump leather whether have the feet or not. That bag I already sold. I will do another video that handbag I sold recently. I sold a lot of handbags from my collection. So this is the no feet. Okay, so far it's two cons for me. One is the strap. I don't like the metal part, and the other one is this bag doesn't have feet, so keep in mind. I also want to show you some size comparison with the other bags, because a lot of time when you watch the video, you actually not able to tell the actual size until you see two different bags side by side. Then you will see more clearly the size difference. So let me just pull out some bags. I put it side by side so you can see more clearly. So this one is the Speedy 25 and the Speedy 20. It is big difference. Put it this way, you can see the difference very obviously. So this is a side by side with the Amo BB. Looks like Amo BB is a little bit bigger than the Speedy 20. Here is the Neon Amo BB compared with the Speedy 20. Obviously Neon Amo BB is big. I will do the deeper comparison later on, definitely. So next thing I show you is the Chanel mini rectangular. So you can see the size difference. From here you can see the Speedy 20 is a little bit longer than the mini rectangular. So compare with the puzzle bag, you can see very similar lines, but it looks like a puzzle bag is a little bit longer than Speedy 20. So from here you can see the size difference. So it's smaller than the parcel bag. My parcel bag is in the small size. We're gonna compare with the Gucci Mama camera bag. This camera bag also in the small size, not the mini size, regular size. Side by side, see the difference. Also, the Speedy 20 is shorter than the camera bag. So for the size wise, I think basically you already have an idea how the size goes. So next thing we're gonna do the capacity, see how much stuff this bag can fit. Now I fill this bag in the maximum capacity. So what I mean is really like overloaded. The reason I'm doing this, just wanted to show you the capacity of this handbag, but for the everyday use, I do not recommend you to overload the bag, no matter which bag you are using. So very quickly to show you what's inside, it's full stuff here. So you can see how many stuff I have it put it. I have the Sunny, one lipstick, Victorian wallet, my pocket organizer, mini pochette, and reading glasses. Let me put the 2 glasses here, and additional card holder, and I have the key pouch for coins. I also have the 6 key holder, and I have 4 key holder. This is for my husband company's key, and I have my iPhone 11. So give you the screenshot. Here all the everything can fit into this bag. However, as I mentioned it is the maximum of the capacity. I do not recommend it. For me, I feel I should take out the Sunny, then this bag will be much comfortable. But for this video, I just wanted to show you how much this bag can fit. So this is the capacity of the Speedy 20. So at least you know it's a lot of stuff, very good. And lastly, I will show you the model shot. For your reference, I'm 5'2", and in the next video, I will do the comparison of other handbags, such as Neon, Amo BB, so you guys have an idea which one can fit more. So that's all about today's video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you very soon. Have a wonderful day.